Firstly, I want to introduce myself. I am Chandan Prasad, advocate at Allahabad Bench, Lucknow. Secondly, I want to talk about reservation for backward classes in services. When Indian Constitution was drafting in Constitute Assembly by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had decided for reservation for backward classes in services. This matter is taken by the four-sided Ambedkar ideas that shaped Indian constitutional discourse written by Anurag Bhaskar ji, LLM at Harvard School, USA. I am going to make the video about reservation for backward classes in services. When the subcommittee on fundamental rights prepared a clause on the right to equality of opportunity, the minority subcommittee recommended the addition of a proviso to this initial clause to enable the government to reserve a certain proportion of posts in the public services for the minorities, including backward classes, as the term minorities was then understood. This was suggested to meet the claims of minorities for special representation in the services. Dr. Ambedkar was a member of both these subcommittee. A redrafted version of the clause, which then came before the advisory committee on 22 April 1947, provided for the state to make provision for reservation in favor of classes not adequately represented in the public services. In the advisory committee proceedings, Dr. Ambedkar supported this clause. He, however, suggested deleting the words not adequately represented and that the clause be rephrased to provide reservation in public services in favor of class as may be prescribed by the state. He argued that of the words not adequately represented were retained, any reservation made by the state would be open to challenge in the court of law on the ground that the classes in whose favor reservation was made happened to be in the fact already adequately represented. He further added, I do not want this matter to be litigated in a court of law once the legislature or the constitution or whatever authority you authorize the made a reservation. That reservation should continue without being challenged in a court of law. It will be quite impossible for a minority community for the matter of that to face a litigation in a court of law. If somebody took up the matter stating here is a community for which reservation is made, which in fact is adequately represented, I do not want that to be a matter of litigation. When a member of M. Ruthanswamy pointed out, you have placed it among justiciable rights, Dr. Ambedkar replied in the affirmative by explaining, in the sense that the executive shall not override. I am going to insist on some provision in the Constitution itself that this shall not be a matter which will be left to the state left to the sweet bill of the legislature of the executive. It will be part of the constitution. Thus, Dr. Ambedkar made it clear that the provisions on the reservation in services bear in the form of a justiciable fundamental right. K.M. Munshi suggested the phrase classes which in the opinion of the state are not adequately represented. Dr. Ambedkar wanted to have as may be prescribed by the state. But when Rajgopalachari stated that both the phrases convey the same meaning, Dr. Ambedkar agreed to accept the phrase classes which in the opinion of the state are not adequately represented as suggested by Munshi in the Constituent Assembly. It was also clarified that the term advocate in the reservation provision may mean more than proportionate representation if the situation to demand it. The clause numbered 5 was included in the interim report on fundamental rights, which was tabled by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, chairman of the advisory committee, before the Constituent Assembly on 29 April 1947. The clause listed in the Justiciable Fundamental Rights section of the interim report was discussed and adopted by the Assembly on 30 April 1947. It was later resigned a Article 10 subclause 3 of the draft Constitution prepared by the Dr. Ambedkar led drafting committee with one modification. Instead of the words in the favor of any particular class of citizens, the words in favor of any backward class of citizens were inserted. On 30 November 1948, Dr. Ambedkar explained on the floor of the Constituent Assembly that the addition of the word backward before class of citizens reflects the larger purpose of equality by granting the overriding provision of reservation in their favor. It was adopted as Article 16, subclause 4 of the Constitution. Unfortunately, even though Dr. Ambedkar emphasized that Article 16, subclause 4 is a justiciable fundamental right, it was treated as merely an enabling provision in the hands of the state, that the executive legislature could decide whether it wanted to give reservation to backward class citizen or not. Thank you for listening this video. This video is very important for backward classes to remember that Dr. Ambedkar had done to the backward classes for in reservation for backward classes in services. Thank you very much. जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय, जय विज्ञान, जय शिक्षा, जय संविधान. Thanks a lot.